Good day, grillers. 89 here. Have you been looking to step it up for your next barbecue? Your grill game been lacking lately? Well, today's your lucky day. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a perfect, well-done steak. With over 620,000 people killed, the American Civil War remains as one of the bloodiest conflicts America has ever had to endure. Owing to improvements in firearms technology such as repeating rifles or breech-loading arms, both the Union and Confederacy were able to inflict damage on a never-before-seen scale. While both sides had firearms, however, the real Union advantage was its supply lines. With more miles of rail than the South, the Union was more easily able to provide supplies and rations to the troops. Despite having access to rations, however, they often weren't enough. Union soldiers would frequently have to forage and loot in order to survive and continue their campaigns. It was during this time that the Union began developing a taste for beef. With cattle being commonly raised in the South, beef became one of the more frequently looted foods for the Union. Unsurprisingly, when the war ended in 1865, many Union soldiers returned home and couldn't shake the craving. Seizing an opportunity for profit, many Southerners began taking their cattle on 6-month-long cattle drives, looking to capitalize. In the North, cattle would actually sell for up to 5 to 20 times the typical selling price in the South. During the Civil War, Union soldiers couldn't experiment with their cooking. Most meals consisted of a stew, a bread, and a coffee, meaning that the soldiers could only have their beef in one way. However, when the war ended, people had more time to take their cooking seriously. And what they did might shock you. They actually experimented with new ways of grilling beef. One of these fine inventions we like to call the well-done steak. And this one, oh boy is it tricky. Harder to make than the regular steak. It risks being burned if you don't get that perfect mix. So, here's the secret to cooking a perfect, well-done steak. What you're gonna wanna do first is you're gonna wanna take your beef and put it in the pan. Next, you're gonna wanna turn the burner on. Then, you're gonna wanna wait until the steak turns brown. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Grilling has always been a passion of mine and one I would love to share with you all. I know grilling can be difficult, but as a master, I feel like it's my responsibility to help you guys out. Anyways, guys, if I helped make your well-done steak even more well-done, make sure to smash that like button and maybe even subscribe. I'm 89 and still kicking, grilling out.